Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Create Wealth, where we talk about Forex trading. How can we trade Forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? Guys, this video is about BRPR. It is the product code of this expert advisor. This is a EUR-USD expert advisor that is specifically created for EUR-USD, and it works on multiple indicators and strategies, and it has a feature where we can use like two-sided averaging. Two-sided averaging doesn't mean that it used to open the trades on both sides always, but yes, when the trend changes or the market direction changes, then it has the ability to handle both the situations together. Okay, so this is specifically for EUR-USD, as I mentioned, and so let's start from here. Please ignore the first three trades, yes, because those were different kind of trades, and I was not sure that at that moment that I'm trading on this particular account. So please ignore the first three trades, and later on all the trades are for this expert advisor itself, starting from EUR-USD. Okay, so let's start from here. Okay, so starting from like 22nd of August in 2023, today is 23rd of February 2024. So we are completing 6 months, right? We have already completed 6 months, and this 6 months is good enough to judge the feasibility, the consistency of an expert advisor, and the kind of situations, different kind of situations that we faced in between, right? So, right, and the setting what we use is like we are not going to increase the lot size much, so we are strict to a couple of lot sizes, and hence you can see uh, the trades are generally like 90% of the cases, or 92% of the cases, mostly it is taking 0.01 lot size, and maybe 3 to 5% you can say 0.02, and then 2 to 3% you can say maybe 0.03, and 0.04 has been taken in very extreme cases. So hence, like since we are using a lower lot size, in case of very high movement, sometimes it happens that the trade used to open for a little longer because we are not using higher lot size, and maybe our take profit uh, will be a little different, or maybe far from where the market was or where the market is. So it takes some time, and it increases some kind of negative floating sometimes because we are not increasing our lot sizes. But yes, we need to have patience. Market is like an elastic, like you can stretch as much as you can. Okay, but lastly, like when you uh, just release it, like it will come to its place. So like forex, I'm not saying the forex market is like that, but yes, definitely, like when there is a high movement, and but yes, at that kind of moment, our equity and our strategy should be self-sufficient to manage that kind of spikes, right? And later on, after some time, market used to condense or maybe used to calm down a bit, and here that comes that we can take out our profit. But at that moment, your equity or the strategy should be self-sufficient, so should be sufficient enough to manage that kind of situation. So it's being 6 months, and maybe this is the last video of this expert advisor. We will be continuing trading with this expert advisor, but yes, for this particular account, this is the last video. So 6 months is good enough. In case if you have any question, you can contact me by either ways, by email or telegram. I have mentioned both in the video description. I will also connect you right now with the MyFX book page of this expert advisor, so you can verify all those details too. Okay, and I forgot to mention that 1000 is the minimum requirement, and ideally should be 1500, but yes, 1000 is the minimum what we suggest. And if you like to see some of the running trades, it is, as you can see, like there are a couple of buy and a few of, and two are sell as well, right? So it works like this. It is not something that two-side averaging means it will always going to open the trades, the same amount of trades or the same lot size of trades in the opposite side too, because if that happens, then at any point of time one has to close the trades also to make some profit, right? So it doesn't happen, and it doesn't work like this. So just in the kind of such kind of situation, it has the ability to manage that kind of situation. However, this video is just for your educational purpose. That I'm just sharing what I'm trading on my account, and I'm not suggesting you anyone to trade forex because it is very risky. So trade with your own risk, and do it after due diligence. I'm not suggesting anyone to trade. So this is the disclaimer. Okay. So this is, as you can see, these are the running trades. And if you like to see the MyFX book, um, I think like you noticed that I started with 500. However, I used to suggest at least 1000, and recommended is 1500, right? But we used to do feasibility testing sometimes. We used to check whether in a certain kind of situation, whether the EA would be able to manage the situation or not. And we used to risk our money in those situations too. But that's good. Actually, the EA was surprised. Like it's been running from over 6 months, and has been able to manage all kind of situations in the last 6 months. There have been some drawdown, and that is the fact of forex market. And let me share it across with you, guys. Here comes the MyFX book page. Okay, so you can see this is the growth graph, this is the balance graph. Okay, this is the profit graph, and this is the drawdown graph. Okay, so these are what the graph is. And now we talk about, then daily is around 0.71%, the monthly is around 23.66%, and the maximum drawdown that has been so far is 42.14%. That's not good actually, and I would not say it's bad too, because in certain kind of situation, as I mentioned that the suggested equity is 1500, the minimum is 1000, but we were trading with 500. So I'm not sure at what moment this kind of drawdown that has been there, because I can't see it over here. Probably I see it over here in that happened in between November, I think, right? So 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 that's the truth. Actually, I'm just sharing it across with you. So my suggestion is 1500, and the minimum is 1000. Okay, and statistics in front of you. And today we have not made anything based on this. This week we made 1.49%. This month we made 10.44%, right? This month in February we already made 10.44%, and this year in January and February cumulative we made 26.33% so far. Okay, and these are the analysis. I have already provided you the link in the video description. You are free to check it across, play with it. You can check the analysis and everything. And if you have any question about this expert advisor, or any other expert advisor, only those expert advisor whose videos I have uploaded in my YouTube channel. Let's talk about those expert advisors only. And if you have any question about any of them, or maybe this one, feel free to contact me over email, or either via Telegram. I have mentioned you both in the video description. Feel free to contact me if you have any question. So thanks for watching, guys, and I request you to please subscribe to my uh, Telegram channel too, because there are two links in which you will get all the details about the expert advisor videos that I have uploaded in the YouTube channel, about their information and other stuff. And one is an overall information about our other activities. Sometimes we used to provide some like some kind of services, like maybe uh, like some free expert advisors. Sometimes we provide some free PDFs about forex, or maybe some other initiative, right? So there are two channels. I would like you to please subscribe to them, because we don't send a message very frequently, maybe once in a week, or maybe once in 2 weeks or something. So you will not get bothered. So please join those Telegram channel, and I would be happy if you can join this YouTube channel as well. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for staying with me, and feel free to contact me if you have any question. Have a good day. Enjoy your weekend.